Hi friends, this is my first Arduino based robo car which is moving as per my programming. Let's recapitulate. In the previous two videos, we learnt the followings about Arduino: coding language, sketch structure, constants, variable, digital I/O functions, statements like if and for. This is the block diagram of the Arduino car. This is the schematic diagram. I've used L293D driver. Through that I've connected port 2 and 3 to motor 1 and port 4 and 5 to motor 2. In this process I've used a Arduino UNO and the power is coming from a mobile power bank. Cut a cardboard of 15 into 18 cm. Take two plastic DC geared motor and stick both this motor with hot glue. I have made a motor 1 and motor 2. In the back side, stick a roller wheel. Now connect two wheels. Now take the Arduino UNO and the motor driver. I have done all the connections as per the schematic diagram. Now I have modified a USB as per my need. Now take a power bank and glue it. All the connections are done. Open Arduino IDE. So I have made port 2 and 3 as output for motor 1. And port 4 and 5 as output for motor 2. For now, I have made all the 4 ports as low, so both the motors are at stop. If 2 is high and 3 is low, motor 1 will rotate clockwise, and if 2 is low and 3 is high, then it will rotate counterclockwise. The same way I have made 2 high and 3 low for clockwise, and then the inverted process for the other one. Compile and upload the sketch. You can see it's rotating forward and then backward, forward and backward. Let's modify the sketch. I have taken 4 and 5 and made it high and low for motor 2. It will rotate clockwise. Now I have made another function which is forward. You can copy the code and paste it to the forward function. Just call forward. Let's compile and upload the sketch. You can see both the wheels are moving clockwise. This will give a forward motion to the car. So now, as you know the logic how to rotate counterclockwise and clockwise, let's write our program. For moving forward, both the motors will be rotating clockwise. For moving backward, both will rotate counterclockwise. For left turn, M1 will rotate clockwise and M2 will stop. For right turn, M1 will stop and M2 will rotate clockwise. For left rotation, M1 will rotate clockwise and M2 will rotate counterclockwise. For right rotation, M1 will rotate counterclockwise and M2 will rotate clockwise. For stop, you have to make both low. So in the void loop, I have written forward with delay and then left turn, then right turn, then backward, left rotation, right rotation and stop. This will go in a loop. Let's compile and upload. Now you can see the robot is going forward and left turn, right turn and backward, and left rotation, then right rotation and stop. Now this will go in a loop we'll keep doing the same thing. I hope you liked this. Friends, like the video and share it to your other friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get early notification